Now, the last part of this is your income tax report. And there's a 4506T form that you have to fill out. And you may wonder why you have to do that when you are submitting your actual tax form. The reason for that is this is the permission form for the bank to contact the IRS and get your tax reports for the past years. And it's not to say that you're going to change things on your tax report that you're submitting. It's just so they can verify it, and it's just another means of verification. But there again, on that one, if you sign a joint tax return, you need both signatures on there. So, and this gives you the years of what you can expect. There's usually the last 4 years that you give them permission for them to pull your reports if they need to. Then you also need to include your W-2 forms and also the whole complete signed tax report. Now, on page 2 of your tax report, there's a place at the bottom, even though you may file this electronically, when you send it in to the bank, they want to see your signature on there. So you just sign and date it and send it in, and it should be your complete tax form. If you file it and claim any deductions, put them all in there. Now, this is the basic package that you're going to be submitting to the bank. Now, the very most important part of this is do not, and that's a big not, submit partial packages. Make sure they're complete, ready to go. Put yourself a checklist, go through it, make sure that everything is legible, everything is accurate, and that you can prove your need for a modification with these documents. So when it's all together, send it into the bank, and they're going to put it into their system, and then you're going to call them every couple of weeks. In fact, even once a month, call them, because you're going to be submitting your new documents to them. Make sure they've received them, make sure they're into their system, and find out what your status is. But if you don't keep up with this, the bank isn't going to keep up with it, and they're just going to go ahead with whatever procedure they need to do as far as foreclosure. So just make sure you have this. If you have any questions, call the bank. Now, you may get a different person each time, but your information is into their system, so they should be able to check it and find out what your status is. So just be accurate, be calm, because it may seem like a traumatic situation, but you'll get through it, and hopefully everything will work out fine for you.